Today I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste clips to any track in DaVinci Resolve. This is a fundamental editing technique that gives you precise control over where your clips land, whether you're organizing video layers or managing multiple audio tracks. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and let it load completely. Once you're in the main interface, look at the bottom of the screen where you'll see several workspace options. Click on Edit to enter the editing workspace. This is where all your timeline work happens, and it's the environment you'll be using for this process. Now, let's start by copying the clip you want to move. Simply click on the clip in your timeline to select it, then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This copies the clip to your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you choose. The clip will remain in its original position for now, which is exactly what we want. Here's where the track targeting comes in. On the left side of your timeline, you'll see labels like V1 and V2. These represent your video tracks, and they're key to controlling where your pasted clip will land. Let's say you want to paste your clip to V2. To do this, simply click on V1 to remove the highlight from it. Make sure that V2 is highlighted instead. This tells DaVinci Resolve that V2 is your active destination track. This same process works for audio tracks as well. You'll notice similar labels for audio tracks marked as a 1 and a 2. If you want to paste an audio clip to a 2, just remove the highlight from a 1 by clicking on it. Then make sure that a 2 is highlighted. This targeting system gives you complete control over your clip placement, preventing accidental pastes to the wrong track. Once you've selected your destination track, simply press Ctrl+V on your keyboard, and your clip will paste directly to the highlighted track. It's that straightforward. This track targeting feature is incredibly useful when you're working with complex timelines that have multiple video and audio layers. Instead of dragging clips around manually, you can quickly copy and paste them to exactly where they need to go. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.